So jungle is growing in my kitchen. Hi guys, si Mami Pingni. Welcome back to my channel. So I put my moringa here on the side of my kitchen, and there's my moringa, 3 moringas together with my lemongrass and some papayas. And on the side of my kitchen, the end of my cooking table, I put my pineapple. Ooh, dako na siya pero di pa man kapangunod oy. Mauma kon sa kuglabay kay anugnan ko. So on the side of my kitchen, it's a coffee maker. There's another more papaya, my rosemary, ngit-ngit kay my climbing spinach, tangkong, my lemongrass. So kanit ni siya sa Bisaya oy. Tanglad. Napoy tanglad oy. Gamit na po na kay siya. Alugbati. Yes, this is my Malabar spinach. I can use it in the winter and then I harvest my leaves, only the leaves. And on the other side of my kitchen, may mga iring naglantaw dire kay gapangayog pagkaon. Okay? Goodness, there's so many cats. Hey, no, don't do that. So here, it's so dark. I got more of my papaya, my lemongrass, no, my lemon tree, dili lemongrass, my avocado, and the dollar money. Oh, the money tree on some niya kung bungaw man oy. You can see I have my photo there, my picture. This picture from my garden, the tulips, some years ago. So some of I'm going to my living room. Some of my plants are in my living room. It's so dark here. Here I got my snake plant. Let me just on the light. Kay ngit-ngit. Ngit-ngit naman good oy. Murag alas. Okay, mahayag ba siya? Oh, makita day siya. My snake plant. Dugay na ni kay siya, 7 years old. I have some of my Christmas cactus, duha. This one is color red. Na anay mga buds gapanggawas. Wow. This one is pink. And I have 3 pots of jade plant. So I put the shamrock here, my orchids, and I put my aloe vera under the table. And there's more of the jade plant in front here. So kung magtugnaw na, muna na yung mahitabo sa akong balay. Sa balay. The jungle in the house. Yep. Okay guys. I'm going back to my kitchen and mangit-ngit. Going back to my kitchen. Tugnaw na kais gawas oy. Thank you for watching. And mag-amping tang tanan. Please take good care of yourself and each other. See you in my next video. Right, bye.